Hello everyone and welcome to my video's presentation talking about my self-care kit. Today I'm gonna present to you a list of things that makes me feel better when I am not feeling in a good mood. So let's start. So for my self-care kit I got this box. It is not the best box ever, but it's a box and it works. So honestly, to be honest with you, I'm gonna say that when I am sad, I prefer to be alone or sleep. And if it doesn't work, I tend to play music. I choose 5 music for this video. I got Yours of Conan Gray, Snap of Rosalind, Things That I Miss of Altune, Come On and Play of Billie Eilish, and the last one is Reckless of Madison Beer. So in the box I got this teddy. I think it's one of my favorites. One of my friends gave it to me when it was my 13th birthday. I think it's very useful when I am feeling sad and I like it so much. I think it's indispensable for me. As I said, when I am feeling sad, I prefer to be alone. And when I am alone, I sometimes get a little bored. And this doesn't happen always, but if this happens, I tend to read. I got these 2 books. They are very useful for me because they makes me laugh, and sometimes they makes me forget the reason that I was angry or sad at first, because they makes my mind focus on other things, so they are the best. I also have photos when I was younger. I usually see these photos eating something. The most of the time is ice cream, chocolate ice cream, and I have a lot of photos. This is a little example of all the photos that I have. This is my mom. Yep. And this is me. And yeah, there are a lot of photos of me, my sister, my dad, my uncles, aunts, my grandmas. Yeah, my family. And it makes me feel better sometimes. And I see these photos listening to music because I don't know, it makes me feel better. Finally, I have letters that my friends give it to me, my mom, my dad, anyway, letters. I got this. It's a letter that Anai sent to me. I have a lot of letters from Anai. I also have a letter from Gia. Is this one over here? If you open it, there are papers into this. Yeah, they makes me feel better because I feel more love since they express how much they love me in the letters. So I think it's a little bit romantic, but I like it. It's nice. So that's all. We finished. I hope you have enjoyed this video talking about me and my self-care kit. Thank you very much for your attention and see you later. Bye.